Can you play the octopus for Oliver? We're doing the whale. Oliver's following you around with his eyes. Very nice. Very nice, Sebastian. Okay, I think that's good. Sebastian, you're kind of smothering him. Yeah? I know. You're hanging out with Oliver. It's very nice of you. Yeah? Oh, was it raining outside? Yeah. It's wet? Oh. Hello. We're videoing Oliver right now. Yeah, he's playing in his exerciser. He's stomping his feet. Hi, Oliver. Hi. Hi. Are you so happy? Yeah. Sebastian, go talk to him. Oh, you want to see him on the video? Hi, Oliver. Hi. What? I know, the penguins are running like maniacs. But Oliver can't run like a maniac yet. Instead, he's just sitting there being cute. Hello, Oliver. Oliver. Shh, don't shout. What? Don't touch it with your face. Oh my. Okay, say bye. Oliver, say bye. Bye.